Hey y'all, so I am back. So I came to do this really quick fast install, and I did it glueless. I didn't even use any hairspray because I wanted to be able to remove it, but you can, you know, go ahead and use some glue or hairspray or whatever to put it down. So yeah, if you want to see how I did this hair and the details of it, then keep on watching. Okay, doll, so this hair is from ULAHAIR. So this is the bag, real cute. And then on the inside of the bag, I've got some lashes, a really nice little natural pair, if y'all could see that. And then also the hair came inside of this plastic bag. And then also they sent some wig caps, 2 black ones, and I also got these little pamphlets. This one has instructions on things that you should and shouldn't do with your wig styling and maintenance and stuff like that. And this one is a thing to win some free hair. So yeah, that's what came inside of the box. So this is a closure wig. I am going to be doing a lot of closure wigs just because it is a lot faster and easier for me to prepare these kind of wigs, because it's not as much plucking and bleaching and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, so let me just pull up the specs on this hair because there wasn't a little paper inside of the box. I do have a discount code for this company. So the code is PK10 for $10 off. I will put that information down below for y'all as well. So this is a 24-inch 5x5 HD lace closure. And yeah, straight wig. And I did straighten it out. It is like still giving texture though. But I kind of just ran the flat iron over once. And I would have liked the ponytail to be fuller, but I would have had to add a bundle of hair on to get that kind of look. But with the balls in the front, it kind of gives the illusion that the ponytail is fuller, if you will. So this is a 250 density 5x5 closure wig. And I did also use my lace spray to tint the lace to match my skin tone more. So yeah, this is the wig. It is super full, like really full. It's like real thick. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I got this look, it's so easy, like literally so quick, because I flat ironed the hair off camera. Then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this is how the wig is constructed. So you do have 2 combs in the front. It also has an adjustable strap that is removable, and then you have the regular adjustable straps in the wig also. So now I'm just going to go ahead and pop it on and see what it's giving. Y'all, Amiri is asleep right here, and I just scared her when I started talking to do this voiceover. So I'm just going to adjust the wig and position it on my head where I want it to sit at, and kind of move it over to the center. And then you will see I already have the baby hairs kind of pushed down. So to cut the lace, you want to go ahead and push your baby hairs back so that you aren't cutting off your baby hair. So I'm just going to push it back real easy, and then I'm going to start cutting off my lace. To cut off my lace, I am using an eyebrow razor, and I did just cut a slit right down the center, and then I'm going to go in and start cutting off the lace. I left the clip in nice and slow so y'all can kind of really see what I'm doing. So you just want to gradually cut a little bit by little bit instead of just trying to go all the way down like in a straight line real quick. You want to just cut off a little bit and then a little bit and a little bit, if y'all know what I'm saying, because you don't want to mess up on cutting your lace. If you cut off a little bit of the baby hairs, that is fine, but you don't want to cut off all of your baby hairs where your lace is going to be pushed back too much, okay? And on the end, y'all know on closures, it has that double fold on the end, so you just want to cut that piece off completely. You don't want to leave a little edge of it or anything like that. And there was an extra little piece that I didn't get off with the razor, so I did go in and snip that off. So you can already see how the hairline is looking. So on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and use my scissors to cut off that extra little piece, and then I'm going to go in with my razor and go ahead and cut off the extra lace. So this hairline looks really good and everything like that. I can style this wig in other ways, but I was like, let me just do something a little different and do a ponytail with a closure wig which is not usually done very much. More so people do it with a frontal, but I did it with a closure. And if you want your ponytail to be fuller, of course, you can use a bundle of hair, but I didn't have one, so I didn't even bother with doing that. So now you can see how the hairline looks. I just pull my baby hairs back down, and then I'm going to take that same razor and go in and start cutting down the baby hairs because they are too long. You always want to trim your baby hairs down. You don't want to leave them the full length because they just are not going to lay right. And sometimes I like my baby hair shorter, and sometimes I like to leave them a little bit longer, but never the full length, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm just cutting off all of the hair to cut in my baby hairs, and then I'm going to go in with some Eco Styling Gel, and I'm going to start doing my little swoops on the sides. I did just do 2, and it'll be 1 on each side, and that'll be it for the baby hairs. So in the center, even though I cut the baby hairs there, I decided to just push that back because I didn't like the look of it. So you can see how the hairline looks, and I did not use any hairspray gel or anything like that to lay the lace down. Like I can literally just pull this wig off and it will slide right off. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, and I'm kind of just combing the ponytail up into position. I already had kind of did this while it was on my mannequin, but I'm going to go ahead and do that again to kind of push those hairs over that are not going in the direction that I want. And then I'm going to take a hair tie and go ahead and tie off my ponytail. That little piece of hair that's sticking up in the back is bothering me, but I can't go back and do it. But it's going to be covered by the ponytail anyways. But if y'all ponytail is doing this or your hair is doing this, go ahead and lay that down because it's really bothering me. But yeah, so now I'm just kind of fanning out the ponytail and setting it in position how I want it to be. And then I'm going back in with the hot comb and just kind of laying those little side pieces down. And now I'm going to go in with some knockers, and this is just going to accessorize our hair look. So I did just 2 knockers. So I have 4 balls. I have 2 whites and 2 black, which is just 2 sets of knockers, obviously. And these are the larger size ones. So it does give some height to the hair and everything like that. And I feel like it makes your ponytail look fuller, if you will. So yeah, this pretty much completes the style. So this is the look. This is what we went with for this style. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about it down below. Stay tuned for the outro. Okay, dolls, so this is the completed look. I just wanted to do something that was glueless once I seen how snug the wig fits. And with this kind of style, I felt like the thicker baby hairs kind of was the move for this. Like usually I won't do my baby hairs like this thick and full, but I think it's cute with this style. So yeah, I just wanted to do something different. You know, you always got to switch it up. And I just wanted to do a little ponytail since my other closure wig videos have curls and stuff. I wanted it to be straight and do a ponytail, something different. So yeah, this is how the hair turned out. And let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Bye, dolls.